Hey guys, it's Wednesday, May 13th. Today you're going to move on to the next part of your portfolio, which is your theme paper assignment. So this is going to be a lot like your micro theme project that you did with Of Mice and Men, but instead of just being a paragraph, it's going to be an entire paper. So to get to the assignment sheet, you are going to go down to the independent reading unit, and then it is this last one right here, the independent reading theme final assessment. If I were you, as I'm working on this project, I would refer back to that to make sure that you're getting all the details that you need. So when we look at it, it sounds and looks a lot like your micro theme assignment, mostly because I took that sheet and copied and edited it for this project. So the first thing that you need to do is think about your book. Think about which two elements your author uses the most to help create the theme. So you're going to look at symbols, motifs, images, archetypes, diction, and characters. So you pick just two of those. Then what you guys need to do is create a theme statement. Your theme statement should have a topic, a claim, and a qualification. Remember that your theme statement shouldn't have any particulars from the novel, so like don't include characters' names, don't include places or events that happen in the novel. It should be universal. It should apply to all of us, but it should still be a direct message from the novel. So like in Of Mice and Men, one of the direct messages from the novel that didn't include any of the characters in it would be something like the weak in society will never win, or something like that. Your theme has to be supported by your elements. So when we did our micro theme project, a lot of people, you picked two elements, but then you didn't actually explain how those elements create the theme. Make sure that when you're picking your elements, you're picking which ones actually help create that theme, and then all of your evidence is going to like be examples of those elements and how they help create your theme. So then after we do that, so we'll do that part tomorrow. I'll have you guys fill out a theme statement form that I'm going to go through and check and make sure that all your theme statements are good and see if you need to do any editing with your theme statement. Step 2 then, you guys are going to create an outline. Your outline is right down here. So I will actually make a copy of this and put it on Schoology so that you guys can just make a copy and fill it out. I'll put it on as an assignment. So you guys will go through and you'll start filling out your outline. So one body paragraph is going to be about one of your elements. So let's say I picked diction and characters. So body paragraph 1 is going to be all about diction. So I'm just going to focus on diction or word choice and how the diction helps create the theme, or how the author's specific word choice helps create the theme. Body paragraph 2, my other one was characters. So this is going to be all about characters. So I'm going to pick one character or two to show how those characters help create the theme. And that's all I'm going to focus on in that paragraph. So that's how you're going to organize your paper. This paper is only going to be 2 body paragraphs long. So you'll have an intro, body 1, body 2, and then a conclusion. I have this sheet here for you. If you want to, and if you thought it was helpful during the micro theme unit, it probably wouldn't be a bad idea to do this just to make sure like you can gather your evidence and you can get your ideas together. This is not required, but it might be helpful for you to do before you do your outline. So I'll let you guys decide if you think you want to use that or not. Step 3 then, you guys will type up your rough draft and have a full rough draft typed up. All of your evidence has to be integrated. If you don't have your integration cheat sheet, I linked it right here so that you can see that if you need to use it. You need to use a variety of integration methods, so make sure that you are like using comma, using colon, using fragment, that you're not just sticking with one the whole time. You have to follow formal paper format. So it should be 4 paragraphs long, and you should break up your paragraphs, and then make sure that like you are using academic language. So no I, no you, no contractions, all of those regular things that you guys are used to. Make sure that you are analyzing the things in your book. So analyzing, how do these characters actually help create the theme? Don't just explain the characters to me. Make sure that you're actually analyzing them. And then make sure that you are paying attention to grammar, mechanics, spelling, all of those things count. Your final, or your rough draft then, is going to be due, get out our calendar here. Your rough draft is going to be due on Friday the 22nd. So you have a week and a couple days to work on this. You'll need to turn it in by midnight, because then over the 3-day weekend, I'll go through, I'll read them, I'll put comments on them so that I can tell you how to fix them up. And then we will go through, we'll do some peer editing. You'll have a day to do revisions and conference with me if you want to. And then your final theme paper will be due on the 28th. It's crazy. We don't have that much time left of school. Then the week after that, you guys will work on your presentations, and we'll end the year with those videos. So, that's your theme paper assignment. This is going to be worth 100 points. So make sure that you are paying attention to all of those things. Your only job for today was to watch this video. So tomorrow we'll start getting your theme statements ready. If you right now are sitting there thinking that you have no idea what any of your theme topics could be, start thinking about what the major ideas were that were brought up in there. Think about like the one-word summary thing that we did, where it was like, how would you describe this book in one word? Or what would you say this book is about in one word? Try doing that. It might bring up some ideas about what a possible theme topic could be. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day.